Hello, Ivan Old School Automotive. 2013 Subaru Impreza fixed the battery terminals, but still cranks. Now it cranks, but no start. The battery was dead. Charged the battery. Now, before it was popping up the codes for transmission EEPROM. Well, with the charged battery, no more codes. Now it's got this. And guess what? You can hear if you turn the ignition on, you can hear the fuel pump. When you crank the engine, you don't see the tech moving, nothing. So before anything, I decided to go and look at the crank sensor. And what do I see there? It's unplugged. Well, let me try to plug it back in. I don't know if I can. Nah. Man. Well, the connector is broken. The tab on the connector is broken. But, well, let's see what it's gonna do now. Okay, the codes are clear. Yeah, that's it. So, now the question is, what did somebody do to this car? I don't know. Maybe somebody was trying to figure out why it doesn't start from the beginning, broke the connector and never bothered to plug it back in. Or maybe it's one of the cases when people buying the cars from used car dealer auctions and they trying to get the price down, they unplug stuff. I've seen that many times. But I don't know, I guess I have to come up with the idea how to maybe put I don't really want to replace that plug, but maybe a zip tie or something. But that's all there is to it. And I'm pretty sure it's not gonna have any more codes, period. Yeah. No more codes. Alright, so I guess have to come up with the idea how to attach that broken connector on the crank sensor. I have no idea why somebody messed with it, but no. That's all there is to it. It's fixed.